And a respected Filipino businessman is optimistic that business between the Philippines and the United States will remain strong. This whatever the outcome of tomorrow's U.S. elections. George Bandola reports.
Philippines will remain a business asset of America whatever the outcome of its presidential elections. Former trade envoy Donald D. of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry says Philippines has a big interest in America not only with the presence of overseas Filipino workers but also in several export products. This despite America is in dire economic state same as in Europe.
Sa amin sa negosyo, wala kami na-fault din na namin yung relasyon natin, and we feel that kami nakakasigurado naman na hindi pa rin masyadong pagbabago. At yung relasyon ng dalawang bansa ay napaka-lapit ngayon at napakaganda na kahit sino umupo doon, hindi tayo maapektuhan masyado.
As such, Ambassador D advises the Philippine economic managers to pursue more investment in America and to make efforts about strengthening our export sector.
Importante sa atin yung merkado na kahit anong sabihin mo, yung malaking merkado ng Amerika. So it's still our exports. And I hope not only in electronics, kahit nasa lower technology, bumalik na sana yung preference nila sa ating garments, sa ating mga yun kasi yung kailangan natin na pangladin dahil doon nagkakaroon ng mga mas maraming employment.
Admittedly, though, D said the country has felt Barack Obama's One America policy which threatened American companies before, companies that outsource their services.
Kahit anong gawin nila, kailangan nilang mag-outsource dahil mahal na masyado ang cost nila. So it's a cost, it is the cost that leads to outsourcing. Huwag din na-legislate yan. So yes, President Obama tried to nagsalita siya na dapat hindi siya bibigyan ng insentibo sa mga kumpanya na nag-outsource. Pero kahit na hindi siya nagbigay, kailangan pa rin mag-outsource yung mga kumpanya dahil sabi ko nga, hindi competitive yung cost nila sa kanilang bansa.
Still, the business sector is closely monitoring the outcome of elections in the world's most influential country. For People's Television, George Bandola.